Welcome to the LifeVantage Launch Guide training. My name is Gabe Pearson, and I'm a Master Pro 10 with LifeVantage. It's my honor to welcome you to this incredible company, and over the next few minutes, we're going to walk through step by step how you can begin launching your business to success. You should have in front of you our 2-page launch guide packet, along with the helpful memory jogger that will assist you in building out your list so you can begin sharing the LifeVantage products and opportunity. So let's get started. At the top of this guide, you'll see a section for company information and your support team. These are helpful resources you'll need for your business, including our corporate website, LifeVantage.com. Our virtual back office that we call Evo, our customer support contact information, as well as our LifeVantage Distributor Facebook group that you can join for support and community. Notice the link to our monthly marketing playbook. You might want to circle that. It is such a rich resource of graphics and promotional content that you can use when marketing your business. Reach out to your sponsor to find out the names and phone numbers of your upline support team. They may also have some Facebook groups that you want to join. Ours is Connect and Make an Impact. So this is specifically for your team. Below is a calendar to fill in for your team's conference calls and Zoom meetings so that you never miss a beat with training and LifeVantage promotions. Next, let's get you set up for success. Get focused. Take a moment and pause this training. Write down 3 reasons for joining LifeVantage. This is the time to really dig deep. What you want out of this and why do you want it? In LifeVantage, it's important to have a why. It's something that's emotional, something that's imperative to you. Our why was to keep our children in private school. So I encourage you, if you haven't in a long time, it's time to start dreaming again. Set some short-term and long-term goals for the vision you have in building your business. Get organized. You are going to want to log in into your LifeVantage back office, Evo, and set up your personalized referral website. Log in, go to Account Services, and toggle down to the My Referral Site admin and choose a username that's easy to remember. Get familiar. You want to become your first and best customer. Start creating your story on our amazing products, and remember that with an active subscription, you get approximately 20% off the non-subscription price. Remember, you should sell 200 in PV of product each month if you want to maximize your earnings with the LifeVantage sales compensation plan. Get skills. Visit LifeVantage.com for product and opportunity information to help you understand our business. You want to attend the next LifeVantage events like Global Convention, Elite Academy, regional tours, and even our virtual events are the best ways to get elite training and also network with other distributors while getting your hands on our newest products and the technology from LifeVantage. Register today for the next event at LifeVantage.com. Next, let's set your pace. Become a pace setter in LifeVantage and earn extra commissions by accomplishing the rank of Pro 2 inside of your first full calendar month of the business. Go one step further by hitting the rank of Pro 3 inside of your third calendar month of the business, and you're going to get even more bonuses on top of your commissions. Look at this. There is up to an extra $700 for grabs inside the first 90 days. Set your target and let's run. This is also a great time to answer some burning financial questions for your LifeVantage pace. Pull up and use a LifeVantage average annual earnings disclosure to help you set some realistic goals for your business. Number one, what rank most aligns with your vision? Number two, what is the average time to that rank? Number three, realistically, how many hours per week can you commit to this? And number four, how much money do you want to make inside the next 30 to 60 days, 6 months, or even a year? Now, we are really getting into the thick of this. This is your system. You're going to want to memorize this phrase, ITT, Invite, Tool, Team. This system has been developed to give you a simple funnel to invite people to take a look at the products and the business. There is no need to reinvent the wheel here. Just follow the system to optimize your results. The first step is invite. You want to strike up a conversation with your contact and find out if they are open to learning how to take control of their health or take control. Video, it's time to follow up and ask them, what did you like best about what you saw? And are you open to learning a little bit more? This primary tool that we use in the second step is the LifeVantage overview. Whether live, in person, or on a Zoom, or recorded this way, they can get the full picture of the products and the business. Now, our third step in the ITT system is team. Once somebody has seen the first touch video in the overview, they may have questions. So this is a great time to introduce them to your upline support team by some simple script like, hey, Bob, I'm glad that you loved what you saw in the overview. I want to introduce you to my business partner, Tom, who will be able to answer all your questions. What time and date works best for a quick call with them? Now, after your contact has gone through the ITT system, you might want to use some of these handy closing scripts to move them to be a customer or a distributor. Number one, are you clear on what to do next, or do you need my recommendations? Sometimes your contacts just need a little bit of help to decide what stack or pack is right for them. Number two, so do you want to become a customer or join as a distributor like me? Number three, on a scale 1 to 10, 1 being not interested at all, and 10 being ready to sign up, where do you see yourself? Lastly, we want to organize your list to write down 25 names of people that you have the best relationship with. You're going to want to brainstorm contacts that would be attracted to the LifeVantage products and opportunity. Use the attached memory jogger to jog your memory, and 5 prospects, helping them get through the ITT system. Now, this little tracker is great. These little boxes here, you can check and you can know exactly where every person is on the list inside of your funnel. And once you've done your list, you're going to want to rinse and repeat. Go through this launch guide over and over with a new list within your first 90 days or until you achieved Pro 3. Congratulations on completing the LifeVantage Launch Guide training. Your run to Pacesetter starts now. Make sure you plug into your team to the corporate tools and trainings and resources, and we look forward to meeting you and helping you achieve your goals.